Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Slack workflow automation using AI with Workflow Builder. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Slack workflow automation using AI with Workflow Builder, begin by opening your Slack workspace. Navigate to the sidebar and locate the Workflow Builder option. Click on Workflow Builder to open the interface. Next, choose the workflow you want to verify from the list of existing workflows. Once selected, click on the Edit button to access the workflow settings. Review the triggers set for your workflow to ensure they are correctly configured. After confirming the triggers, check each step in the workflow for accuracy. Pay close attention to any AI components integrated into the workflow. Verify the parameters and options you've set for the AI features. If necessary, make adjustments to optimize performance. Once you have reviewed all components, proceed to the test option. Run a test of your workflow to observe its functionality in real time. Monitor the test results for any errors or unexpected behaviors. If issues arise, return to the workflow editor to make necessary corrections. After resolving any problems, retest the workflow for confirmation. Once you are satisfied with the performance, exit the editing mode. Consider sharing your verified workflow with team members for feedback. Document any changes made during the verification process for future reference. With these steps complete, your Slack workflow automation is now verified and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.